Welcome to this video, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. When you go to render and then you go to render animation, you see that it becomes blank. So to solve this, all you have to do is make sure that you click on this output, which is the printer. Looks like a printer. And right here, I want you to click on the three dots right here to choose a preset. And right here, you see you can choose a good one. So I'm gonna go with 1080 pixels right here. So if I click on it, for example, it's gonna change the camera. And now you see my camera is facing my object. So now I can go to render and then render animation. And as you notice, my object will appear. So this is how you solve this problem. And I know that many people have asked me this question. So I hope that this solves your problem. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments. If I get like many dislikes, and if this video does not help many people, I'll just delete the video. All right. Otherwise, if it helps, please give me a feedback because I want to make sure that my tutorials are helpful. So thank you for watching, everyone, and you can also consider thanking me on or super thanking me on my channel.